Hello, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E40 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first feature that we would like to highlight in this video is located at the security category of settings, so let's enter it. And it's called the fingerprint. Therefore, by activating this feature, or should I say this option, you'll be able to unlock the screen of your device with your own fingerprint. So prior to enrolling, should it be any biometrical way of locking the screen, it is required that we have any kinds of the screen lock methods as the backup variant for us. The list of options to choose from is pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with pattern myself. Enter the pattern that I would like to use, as well as confirm it. Now here we gotta choose what notification content will be shown at the lock screen, and after that we'll be able to start enrolling the fingerprint. The sensor is located right here at the back part of your phone, so all that you need to do in order for your fingerprint to be added is to lay and lift your finger onto the sensor. Just follow the instructions that are shown over here. And as you can see, the fingerprint gets successfully enrolled. So let's go ahead and test it out real quick. As you can see, by laying my finger onto the scanner, I get the screen unlocked without any issues at all. The next feature for this video is another biometrical way of unlocking the screen. It's the face unlock, so let's enroll it as well. In order for it to be added, simply scan your face by placing it inside the circle frame. I'll do it off the screen real quick and scan my face. Alrighty, so the face has been successfully enrolled, and as you can see right now, I'm unlocking the display of my device with a face without any issues, as long as I align it with the selfie camera. The next feature is located at the display category of settings, so let's enter it as well, expand all available options. And in here we'll have the screen refresh rate. So there are two values to choose from, 60 and 90 Hz, and this auto option as well, that makes it 3 basically, but it's not the value, is it? So the higher value you go for, the smoother and silkier animations and overall visual experience you get, but at the same time 90 Hz as per the display refresh value consumes more battery. So just choose what you value more, the battery health, or should I say the remaining power, or the remaining battery power of course, or the animation smoothness. If you do not want to manually switch between these two values, you can set it to auto and it will automatically configure the best refresh rate according to the usage scenario, current battery state, as well as like some other system variables. Another feature that we would like to talk with you is called the colors. And in here there are 3 interface colors presets to choose from: natural, boosted and saturated. You can choose whatever you like more. As you can see, there is this colorful preview picture for us to understand what does the color of our choice will look like exactly. I'll go with the natural preset because I like it the best, I think. Alrighty, so the 5th and final feature for this video, or tip, is located at the battery category, so let's enter it as well. And it's basically this small battery percentage toggle that, once enabled, will show the remaining battery power in percent, show the battery percentage that is left right in front of a actual battery icon at the right part of your status bar. So if you would like to precisely know how much battery do you have left, you can go ahead and turn this toggle on. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.